friends, this is Pradeep Ramteke from RO Plant Solutions, Nagpur. We are manufacturers of ice plants. We are manufacturing RO plants, ice plants from 1 ton to 50 tons per day capacity. If you have any requirement, you can contact us on this number given below. This is a 1 ton ice plant. And we are having here 33 cans. Total number of cans 33. That means we will be getting 1000 kg of ice daily in 24 hours. We are speaking about 24 hours, but actually it will give in 16 to 18 hours. This is the coil. We are using 1-inch coil inside this. The function of coil is for pulling of the water inside the tank. And one agitator is there. Agitator function is to agitate the water. That means for revolving the water inside the tank. We are working on this Blue Star Outdoor, the best company in India. This type of outdoor, actually normally local people don't use this because this is a very heavy and costly material. This is the compressor. 5 ton compressor is being used here. The capacity of this 5 ton is to produce 1 ton of ice daily in 24 hours. But actually it will take 80 to 60 hours. You can see the outdoor here. After that we come to the cans. These are the cans we are using. We are manufacturing cans. And this is the receiver we are using here. Receiver part, one of the part of this ice plant. We are coming to ice cans. Ice cans, this is customized ice plant. It has been customized for 30 kg cans. Actually people use 50 kg cans or 25 kg cans. But we are using here 30 kg cans. This is the total customized plant. You can also get any type, any size customized plant from 1 ton to 50 tons. We use beyond ice, beyond gas here. So friends, if you are interested in our plant, we can manufacture it for you from capacity 1 ton to 50 tons. Thank you.
RO Plant Solutions, Corporate Office, Chhatrapati Square, opposite Radisson Blue Hotel, Nagpur.